Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a bank account to Uber Eats. To add your bank accounts to Uber Eats, watch the video until the end and follow through the instructions. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and then go to ubereats.com and search. Make sure that you are signed into your Uber Eats account as well by entering your correct credentials. Once you're logged into your account, go to the upper left corner and click on the horizontal lines. Now select the wallet option from the expanded menu. Click on Add Bank Account on the next page. Once you click on Add Bank Account, enter your bank account details and other information required. You will also need to provide your social security number, enter your business legal entity name. If your business is a sole proprietorship, provide your company's mailing address, and then you will be able to add your bank account to Uber Eats. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.